Hi guys, Records here, welcome back. And in my third video I may be showing you how to make a duck thumbnail on Android device. Let's do it guys. Come on. First go to Play Store, Google Play Store. Search the thumbnail maker. The first one. No, what's this? I may be checking this also now. No, this is not good. Yes. So we are using this application to make our thumbnail, a dark thumbnail with Android. You may be thinking about, you may be tensioned about how to make a thumbnail without your PC. And you have no PC. Sometimes you have PC but not Photoshop, and sometimes you have PC and Photoshop but don't know how to do. So we are going to do it on an Android device. It's very easy, and it can save you time. It's very easy. It's very easy. It's very easy. So let's start. I have already downloaded it. Thumbnail Maker. Just open that app. On my last video, the sound may not be clear, so I forgot to say you something. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel down, and don't forget to, my god, what's this? Don't forget to like and comment down below, and comment down below the suggestions you have and questions you have. If you are not able to make it, just uh, tell me in comment box. So we are going to do it, and first we are with the camera icon, add man add. Don't click crop and add picture. You want to click add picture. So we are on the gallery. We want to select download. Select downloads anywhere you can. You should have a logo. Logo like this or watermark like this, and it is better to have a logo like this, so we can do it more easily. So I am going to, you can search from other YouTubers how to make an cartoon profile picture on Android or PC. That's your choice. So it's better to have a logo like this, or you can take a cut from a video, or just an article from a video, from your video. But I'm mostly taking an icon, or you can take icons from your add new icon. You can take icons from this add new icons tab. You will get many icons out there. You can swipe down, you will get many icons. So that I am using here my logo. I am not doing it. If you have only something, just a short note to write here, you can take this full icon. Or if you have many words, so you can take like this, almost like quarter outside. So I'm just taking this model caught outside. I have not typed. I don't have to type more, but just taking it. So it's better to have a good background. You want to prefer a background in the thumbnail. The background is the most important content in your thumbnail. You can use your background here if you like it. I don't like this. It's not good. It's not so colorful. So this is not. I think this is not better. I will. I think red is a better thumbnail background. But we can search here. This is very dim. Oh no, it's very colorful. Everything is colorful. Maybe we can check this now. No. You can do with this. You can do with this. Anyone you prefer. I like doing with this. Okay, this is better one, and this is also better. But that color it doesn't seem to. I sometimes use this. I think this is a very attractive background. So I'm just taking a red background. What is this? This is also very flashy like that. Anyway, I'm taking a red background. So just take it. And okay, okay. So add text. The text you want first. You want a big heading. I'm writing an article about um, thumbnail in Android. So I am doing thumbnail in. Just minimize it. What's this? Oh, just minimize it and click there and take this and search Android PNG. Thumbnail in the Android now, so I am taking an Android picture, so that's very easy. That will be attractive for the people who is using YouTube and searching for these types of videos. And so we are getting this three settings button, the original image, and download it. Download this image. So save image. It's downloading. It is download finished. I think it will be finished. Thumbnail in adjust. Just that. It's better to color the text in white. You can use any font, but it will be more attractive and more attention catcher is bold and straight text. So just I am putting it here anyway, and thumbnail in a big heading. Thumbnail in. Thumbnail in. Just white color. White in color, man. Okay. White in color. Okay, thumbnail in. Thumbnail in. No, it's not white, I think. This is not white. Okay, anyway, it's white. Again, if you want to rotate, this is not better. Rotating is not better. Yeah, rotating is not better. No. And only the size. Opacity. No. Don't let's decrease your opacity because it will be not attentionized. So text no will be so hard. Now okay, thumbnail in, no arches, no arches, you want waves you can put because it will be very easily. I'm not putting waves on it. First, anyway it will be. No, I don't want stroke. They're just adding it. And add a picture. We have already that picture. Add picture. Downloads, and I am taking this picture. Okay, and I am moving to this. And just for an attraction, I am making it a text and question mark. Add it there. Big question mark out there. Selected the color white. Okay, that's enough. Just a big white color. So next we want to add a small text under. I think this is so small, so we can enlarge on it up there. Okay, make it in a medium condition. Okay, we are there. Some cool create cool thumbnail. It should be small. Side heading cool thumbnail. So I think this is an attractive thumbnail for tutorials, and you may do this. You have no problem if you do like this, because your icon, you can first you want to place your icon, so you can text upon the icon, top of the icon, so your text will not be erased from there. You can place your icon anywhere, but not in the Android phone. Okay, you can place your icon anywhere in the thumbnail other than center. In any sides. In any sides, you can put place your icon. Just placing out there. Now here I am just placing it here on his head. My hair. That's an original hair. So we are gonna do that, and it's a cool thumbnail. Thumbnail in Android. Oh my god. So I have just used this thumbnail on this video itself. Wow, it's amazing, huh? If I get more views and more likes, I will be very thankful and will be getting a giveaway of any phones. No phones. Anyway, I will give away anything. Even my channel. No, not my channel. Okay, not my channel. I will start giveaway. So wait for that. Subscribe for that. View for that. Watch my videos and click on that bell button on my on the down there, so you will be notified every time when I upload a video, and help me grow this channel, guys. So very goodbye, and just save it in download jpj thumbnail cool. Download. So everyone, bye. and